Do you have old videos and do you wish they looked as good as your memories of them? In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can restore your old videos using a tool called MacX Video AI. We will restore these old memories and we will also enhance the quality of them. And the best part of this, you can download MacX Video AI for free, and there is also a lifetime license at a discount. You can find it all in the description of this video. So let me show you how it works so you can see the before and after of real videos, and I'm gonna share my experience with this tool. So if you're ready to bring your old footage back to life, let's get into it. All right, here I'm in MacX Video AI, and where I want to go is I want to go to Video AI, and in the video section we will upload our video. So let's select the video first. I'm gonna use this video. You can see it's an old video and I'm gonna improve the quality. On the left side you can see the before. This is how the video look now. And on the right side is the after, and you can already see the difference. Let me zoom in here. On the right side, we can select from different settings for this video. In the super resolution, we can select an AI model, and this is probably the most important part of this whole video. So here we're gonna select an AI model. Under the AI model, you get some information about what it does to your video. I'm gonna go to ZYXT because this one works best for upscale and enhanced low resolution real world videos and images. This is a real world video, so I want to use that. And you can already see the difference. It doesn't look so super overly sharp. It still looks like a real video, but more from this time. Then we can select high quality mode or fast mode. I'm going to go for high quality mode because I want to have the best possible quality. I don't care how long it's going to take. I just want to have the best possible quality for my videos. In the model settings, we can select from 2x, 3x or 4x, or we can set a resolution. I'm gonna set a resolution because I wanna have this video in 4K. So I'm gonna go to resolution and then I'm gonna switch it to 4K. So let's go to 4K. If you just wanna enhance the video quality without doing any upscaling, you can just click on enhance video 1x and it's just gonna make the video better quality. Then we have frame interpolation. If you wanna increase the frame rate of your video, you can also do that here. You can flip this open and you can enable it and set another frame rate. I'm gonna leave it as it is. I have 50 frames per second, that's fine. Then we also have stabilization. If you have a video that is a bit shaky, you can stabilize it also here by enabling stabilization. I don't need any of that. I just wanna have the best possible quality of the video that I have. So I have everything set here, and now I'm gonna go to the export settings. In the export settings, we can select from different video codecs. I'm gonna keep it at H.264. We can select from different audio codec. We can also select different quality level and the group of pictures. So I'm gonna leave it as it is. So I'm just gonna export this video. You can also set an output folder. I'm just gonna click on run and let it do its job, and let's look at the result. On the left side, you can see the before video, and on the right side is the after. And look at the difference between the before and after. That looks great. This is a 4K video now. I made a video like more from this time, and you can really improve old videos with this method. And the result speaks for itself. You get really clear videos and you can really make those old videos great again. And by the way, if you want to enhance DVDs to 4K quality, use MacX DVD Ripper Pro. Don't forget you can download MacX Video AI for free and then you can try it out yourself. Or if you want to have a lifetime license, there's also a discount. So make sure to check the link in the description of the video. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.